The drawer report will show you any time that the drawer has been opened for a no sale. That means anytime someone opened the cash drawer manually using the cash drawer button on the point of sale. You can also see who opened the cash drawer and when. You can run this report for any custom date range or a quick date range like yesterday or last 30 days. Here we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section we'll be selecting the start time and date, and in this section we'll be selecting the end time and date. You can sort this report using the arrows in the heading. That means you can view all the instances that someone opened the cash drawer sorted by the time, or group the instances by the employee who opened the cash drawer. If you set up opening the cash drawer as a special permission in your account, you will be able to see who approved opening the cash drawer here under Approver. You can break this report down by location if you have multiple. This report can be exported or printed directly from this page. If you have any questions about the drawer report, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.